Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. Today, we've made it to day number 192 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. So go back and watch those previous videos, guys, from the beginning of this challenge so you can see where we started versus where we are right now. All right, so we made it to day number 192. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. I'm going to take you back to my back office of My Legion Secret. And if you don't know what My Legion Secret is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office or into your back office, you're going to see either 100 or 200 leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two, whether you get 100 or 200, is going to determine how many accounts that you have with My Legion Secret. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret is that they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay, so you can literally get as many accounts as you like, and you can get thousands upon thousands of subscribers in each one of those accounts. Okay, so how you would do that is you would pretty much sign up for one account. I did leave a link below this video. Sign up for that account, and then once you log in, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. And you're going to have your own affiliate link. So what you would do is you're going to put this in the browser and you're going to sign up underneath your own account, and you're going to stack your accounts that way. And that's how you get multiple accounts. All right. Which is pretty cool. Now, just a little bit backstory about myself. I mean, I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years, probably closer to 3.5 years. I totally love the service, guys. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert, and these leads, they do pay. Okay. These people are real customers. Okay. The thing about this traffic, guys, this is cold traffic. Okay. So these people need to get warmed up to your offer and what you're promoting. Once they get warmed up to your offer, they will then trust you, and then they will subscribe, and then eventually purchase whatever you're putting in front of them. Okay. Now, the thing about this traffic, guys, it is business opportunity traffic. Okay, so you have to put the right offers in front of this traffic. So if you're thinking about putting some kind of health and fitness or some kind of cooking offer in front of this traffic, it may not convert for you as well as using the business opportunity offers. Okay. Now, there's going to be two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Okay. Number one, you can literally just promote My Legion Secret. Okay. You can come in here to the mailing system, create an email, use your affiliate link right here, insert that into your email, and send that email out. And you can get traffic to your My Legion Secret affiliate page. Okay. You can get traffic and get, sales that way. Okay. Just by promoting the service. Okay. A lot of people do it. All right. You can literally go over here to the affiliates tab, go to the promo tools tab. And if you come down here, there's going to be some pre-written email swipes that you can use that are made to convert for you. Okay. So you can send these emails out, and they've already been tested. Okay. And, you get traffic, you get people looking at this email, opening it up, reading it. And then you got people clicking on this link, okay, to, sign up with you for your My Legion Secret offer. Okay. So how you would do that, you would just simply click right here, import this email into the mailing system. It's going to import it into the mailing system. What you would do is just select all the emails that you want to send your email out to. Okay, and let that load up there. And then you come down here. As you can see, it's already pre-written with the email subject line. And then it also gives you the pre-written email ad copy right here. Okay, everything is already made for you. Okay. So you don't really have to do anything if you want to come in and change some things, but you can leave it the same. It's already ready to go. All right. And you have your affiliate link right here. Okay. And you come down here and click on perfect timing. Make sure you have a check mark in this box. Okay. And then you're going to have two buttons. One's going to say send now, and one is going to say preview. Click on send now. What this is going to do, this email is going to go out to all the subscribers on your list. They're going to review this email. Some of the people are going to open the email, some of the people are going to read the email, and some of the people are going to click on this affiliate link. Okay. The affiliate link, once they click on this, is going to take them to your landing page, and your landing page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay. So you literally just have to come in, create the email, make sure everything looks good, and then, make sure your affiliate link is in there so that way you get paid for the email. Right. Super easy to do. Now, that's going to be one way to send out an email in the mailing system. Okay. This is going to be one popular way to make money is just by promoting the My Legion secret. The other way is going to be using a affiliate network such as ClickBank. You can use Warrior Plus. There's tons of different affiliate offers, affiliate networks out there. You have Max Bounty, Blue Media Ventures, CPA Revenue. There's just tons of different CPA networks that you guys can go and be a part of, and you can use their business opportunity offers to send to this traffic. All right. Now we're using ClickBank for the sake of this video because my testing of these offers, the offers on ClickBank, there's something about these emails, the subscribers on this list, they respond very well to ClickBank offers. Okay, it's been tested. All right, so I'm using ClickBank. Okay, you can use whatever network you want. Warrior Plus works pretty good as well. I use Warrior Plus as well. But ClickBank is, something that I would recommend just starting out with because those offers work really well. Okay. So they have about four different offers on ClickBank that I would recommend in the e-business, e-marketing section, okay, which is the business opportunity section on ClickBank. So literally, you can go to create a ClickBank account. It's free. Okay, it doesn't cost you anything. It takes about 5 minutes to get started, and then you can go to the marketplace and then go to the e-business e-marketing section. Okay, and there's about four offers. There's about four top offers on there that you can use, and they all have free email swipes that you can use. And that's why I recommend you starting just with those four offers, and you could just keep sending out those same offers over and over and over again to this traffic. Okay, there's going to be three ways to send out an email. Pretty easy. Number one is just create an email. Okay, if you're good at just creating ad copy, creating nice little sweet emails that work really good. If you're good at creating good content, I would recommend just making your own. Okay, if you're good at it. Okay. Insert your affiliate link, whatever business opportunity, that link that you have, insert that into your email, click send. That email is going to go out. Two is going to be using some kind of email AI service or chat GPT or something like that. Someplace where you can go and literally have AI create you the perfect email surrounded by the offer that you're promoting. Okay. And number three is going to be using the free email swipes that are already pre written from the offer, from the vendor. Okay. So that's where I would recommend you guys starting out first is starting out with the free pre-written email swipes that come with the vendor, okay, or with the offer. All right. So let me show you what one of those emails look like. Okay. So if you come down here, you can literally just take one of these emails. What's going to happen when you go to ClickBank for one of those offers? They're going to give you a subject line that all you got to do is copy and paste into the subject line. They give you a pre-written email swipe that's already congruent to your affiliate link. Okay. And they give you an affiliate link, and you can turn this sentence into a clickable link. So when your prospect clicks on this link where it says click here to submit, it takes them right to your landing page, your affiliate page. Your affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay. The email tells you about the offer. And then when you click on the link, it goes to the offer and it shows our prospect on how to get started and how they can start making money right away by working with us and deciding to join with us. Okay. So that's what it would look like, guys, if you were to send out one of those pre-written email swipes from ClickBank. Okay. So that's pretty much how you do it. You can send out one email every 24 hours with My Legion Secrets. That's the cool thing about My Legion Secrets, why I love them so much, is that I can get in front of traffic every single day, okay, by sending out one email blast to all of my subscribers, okay? So with this traffic, I can say that it takes anywhere between from 7 to 30 days for someone to actually get on board with what you're doing and decide to subscribe or decide to join or purchase from you. Okay, now it could be sooner, but give it that window from 7 to 30 days and you'll see the difference. All right, so let's go ahead and hop on over here to ClickBank. ClickBank is a free network that you can go to. You can go and grab grab offers on there that are for free to have tons of different niches. They have, health and fitness, cooking. They have home appliances and things like that that you can, promote. But for the sake of this video, for this traffic that we're using My Lead Gen Secret, these people care about making money online. So what we are doing is we are just using the free pre-written emails from the business opportunity offers. Okay, and that's going to work. Okay, that's the method. We got to grab the product and then we already have the traffic, all right, and everything's congruent. Okay, people wanting to learn how to make money, and we're going to grab a business opportunity that teaches you how to make money. We put those together, we play the middleman, we bring them together, and we get paid a small commission for getting someone to that offer. All right, so clickbank.com is just that place to go to. I've been with ClickBank over a century. I've made tons of money with ClickBank over the years, and I totally love the service. I've been doing this for a while, guys. So I have multiple ClickBank accounts, but I created a ClickBank account just for you guys, just to show you the power of this method. Okay, and I'm only using the My Lead Gen Secret traffic for this ClickBank account. All right, so let's go ahead and this is my back office here. Another thing about ClickBank, why I love them so much, is that they pay every Friday. Okay, so they pay every week. Okay, every single Friday. Just know that you're going to get paid. You're going to either have a check coming to you or you can do direct deposit, whichever one you want to do. Okay, me, I have direct deposit. It's just easier for me. I hook my bank account up to it, and then I get paid over and over and over again every Friday. Okay, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and check the results. As I like coming in here every single day and talk about the previous day's results. Because I send my emails out at night, so the emails that I send out at night, I let them sit throughout the day, and then I come in at night to talk about the results and see if we got the results the next day. Okay. So as you can see, it's November the 5th right here. If you come down here, it's November the 5th. Just let you know this is not some fake screenshot or anything like that. These are real results and things like that. That's why I wanted to come in and show you guys that. I like doing the last 30 days so you can see the algorithm. As you can see, guys, this has been the algorithm for the last, for the months between months 3 and 6. This has been pretty consistent. As you can see, we've been getting sales back to back. We may miss a day, we get them back to back. We may miss a day, get them back to back. So you can kind of see that it's kind of hit and miss, okay, but the consistency is key. Okay, we're getting sales pretty often, okay, pretty every other, it's either every other day or every 2 days. We're not going 3 or 4 days without a sale. Okay, that's in the beginning. You may see 4 or 5 days without a sale, just depending on what you're promoting. But as you get into month 3 and month 4, between 3 and 6, the sales start getting a lot more closer together. All right. And that's kind of what we're looking for. Now, we missed 2 days right here. We got a sale right here. We missed a day. But right here, guys, we got a sale 4 days in a row. Okay. Which is really good. We missed a day. But as you can see, we hit a new algorithm, guys, which is pretty neat. We got a sale 5 days in a row. Okay. Which is pretty awesome. So there's 7 days in a week. Um, our next our next goal is to get to 6 sales in a row. Okay, and then of course 7. So we're almost there. So we've hit a new milestone where we got 5 sales in a row. Okay, which tells me that we're getting closer to where we want to be, which is getting consistent sales every single day and getting 40, 50, $60, 40, 60, $80 days. Okay. That's our goal, is to get these, our daily amount up to a lot higher. Okay. But right now, first we got to get consistent with getting just sales every single day. Okay, and once we start getting those sales every day, you'll start seeing higher amounts on each day. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that the sales been pretty good. Looks like we're going up and up and up. We're getting multiple sales. And then right here, like I said, first time ever out of the 6 months we've been doing this, we got 5 sales in a row. Okay, that's telling me that we're getting closer to getting daily sales. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Let me show you how to get started. You can come over here to below this video. Okay, I did leave a link here. Click on this MLG as True Freedom. It's going to take you over to the landing page. It's going to show you how to get started, guys. Come down here, look at some of the testimonials that people are showing. Okay, these are just people that are promoting My Lead Gen Secret itself. Also, they have people promoting Warrior Plus, which is right here, okay, and making money with Warrior Plus, okay. So pretty cool, guys. I'm not the only one making money here. There's other people that are doing it. So I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. Go ahead and click on join MLGS now. Pay your $60 to get started. It's only $30 a month to keep the service. It's a no-brainer. Okay. And I would recommend you guys get started today. If you guys decide to get started today, send me a message. Let me know the email address that you did sign up with. Comment below. Let me know. I do got some bonus emails that I would love to send you. That way you can hit the ground running pretty quick. Okay. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you guys the results. Also, please like and subscribe to this channel. Okay. Hit this like button right here. Doesn't cost you anything at all. Just hit the like button. It helps the algorithm, and also subscribe to this channel, guys. There's going to be tons of value, tons of information that I'm going to be sharing with you guys here on the True Freedom Info. Excuse me, guys. The True Freedom Income platform. This channel, there's going to be just tons of value that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. But I'm going to end this video on that note. I've already sent out my emails tonight. I'm going to come back here tomorrow, meet you guys back here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.